Alright, I'm going to go over how to create the portfolio post pages and going over all those options. So the first thing to do is let's create a page. So I'm going to go under the dashboard and create a new page. Let's call some portfolio example. And for now, let's go ahead and publish it. We're going to come back and assign a page template and all sorts of good stuff. But for now, let's go ahead and just create the page. And I'm going to add it to the menu just so we can navigate it to it for this example. And just easier to show you. So obviously when we create our portfolio example, all of the portfolio posts are this portfolio custom post type. And you'll notice right now I actually have a bunch of posts, and these are just examples from the documentation. So these first two were actually featured slides, and you can watch that video to see how I did those. And then these next two were examples from our home page that I created, and you can watch that video to see how those are made. For now, it's not really relevant because I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch. So let's just ignore those posts right now and pretend like I don't have any. We're just going to add a new one. So let's call this one first portfolio post. And let's upload an image. And the way you do this is you just upload an image, and let me upload this snowboarder. And you're going to want the key to getting it resized for you is called use as featured image. So if I click that, it'll say done, then close out of here, and it'll show up right here. And I can type in some content and hit publish. So right now I just created a post, and if I actually view this post, it's going to be already made for you, really nice. But it hasn't assigned to an actual portfolio page yet. And the way we do it is we add a category. So let's go ahead and add a category, and we'll call this category, let's call this one snowboarding. Let's add this category, let's update it, and so this post is now within the category of snowboarding. Let's go back to our page now, and this is where the magic happens. So if we go to our portfolio example, what we're going to do now is change that page template to any of these portfolios. So let's go and do 2 column, and it doesn't matter, all of them work exactly the same. And then this is where the magic happens, is under portfolio category. See how this note says choose what portfolio type you want to display on this page. Basically what it's saying is, now that we're on the portfolio template, which category do you want to pull in? And I have a couple now, but you might only have one, so it'll be really easy. But let's go ahead and pull in snowboarding, since that's the post we just created. So update, and now what it means is we have a 2 column portfolio, and we're pulling in that category on this page. So now when I refresh our example, it'll now be formatted and really cool. So let's go ahead and create another post. Let's add a new one. Let's call this one snowboarding 2. Let's upload an image. And then just like the other one, let's set it as a featured image. And we need to make sure it goes in that category if we want to display snowboarding. Let's publish it, and it'll automatically go into that category. And let's say, hey, I don't want it to show up on that page anymore. All we do is we can pull it out of that category. Let's update the page. It's no longer in snowboarding. It's no longer in that page. So it's kind of a cool way of basically allowing you to have as many categories as you want. So this video, we only can run 5-minute videos. So I'll show you in the next video what we're going to do is we're going to create another page, and we'll have that pull in a different category. And you can see that you can have an unlimited amount of portfolios because each page can pull in a unique category. And then we'll go over all the options as well. So that's how you create your portfolio. You just create a page, you set the template, and then you pick the category that you want to pull in. And then that's all you got to do.